Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. I hope I'm visible to you all.
Yes, ma'am.
Dev,
Yes, ma'am.
just a minute. Huh? Is there any problem?
Ma'am,
I'm
today we
audible to
will
you
talk
all.
about revision and revision
Yes,
notebook,
ma'am.
no?
You are audible and visible both.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. In case if I'm not audible and visible to
Ma'am,
you all,
today we
please let
will.
me know. Okay. Yeah, I will let you know, but we are
Ma'am,
doing the
today
revision.
we.
So open your revision notebooks. First, we will do the revision
The
of tables.
revision of tables.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
We have done the revision of which tables in the last class?
12 to
12.
15.
Ma'am, 12 and 13. No, ma'am, only
12 and
Yes,
12.
ma'am.
13.
12 and 13.
Okay.
12 and 13 both we have done.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, only 12.
Okay, if
Ma'am,
we
only
have done
12
only
have
12, we
There
will.
passed.
we have done 13 and at the and we have, in the classroom we have done 12. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we will
Yes,
do the
ma'am, you
table of
have asked
13 and
only
14.
12.
Can you wait 2 minutes, ma'am?
Okay, please start writing, students. Table of 13. 13 ones are
Ma'am,
13.
we have to not write the table of like. We have to directly start from 13
Yeah, 12 we have
because.
already
We have
done,
to
no?
write table of 13.
No, ma'am, you
Yes,
have
please
not said.
listen to me. Yug, mute your mic first. Table of 12 we have already done. Write today's date, write revision, and start writing table of 13. 13 ones
Ma'am,
are
but you have
13.
not written in the notebook the 12 table.
We have not written, we have written in the last class.
Yes, but you have
No,
told
ma'am.
us to write 12
You
to 15 tables.
Okay, now write the table of 13 today. 13 ones are 13. 13 twos are 26. Janya coming late. Bhakti, Kiana, Mohammed Patel have joined late my class. 13 twos are 26. 13 threes are 39. 13 fours are 52. 13 fives are 65. 13 fives are 65.
Now, 13 4 to 52 now.
Yes. 13 6 are 78. 13 6 are 78. 13 8s are 104. Mute yourself, Ahana. 13 sevens are 91. 13 8s are 104. 13 8s are 104. 13 9s are 117. 13 10s are 130.
Tables done.
We will repeat again. 13 ones are 13. 13 twos are 26. 13 threes are 39. 13 fours are 52. 13 fives are 65. 13 sevens are 91. 13 eights are 104. 13 nines are 117. 13 tens are 130. Next class, we will write the another tables table of 14 and 15.
Ma'am, please can you say that 13
12
exam is what?
and forgot 12 6 are 78.
12 6 are
78. You forgot that.
No, ma'am, you didn't.
13 6 are 78.
Yes.
13 sevens are 91. 13.
Drink water.
Yes, please. So the table of 13 we have done. Next class we will do the table of 14 and 15. Come ready. Okay. Now we are going to do the revision of chapter number 7, jugs and mugs. What we have learned in that chapter, jugs and mugs. Can anyone please say?
Ma'am, ma'am, liter and milliliter. Liter and
Raise
milliliter.
your virtual hand. This is my class rule. Yes, Janya, please speak what we have learned in this class, in this chapter, jugs and mugs, liters and milliliters. So, Janya, can you tell me 1 liter equals to how many milliliters?
Ma'am, 1000 milliliters.
Okay. Meet Brohit, tell me half a liter equals to how many milliliters?
500 milliliter.
Kiana. Kiana,
Yes,
am I audible to you?
yes, ma'am.
Kiana, 1/4 of a liter equals to how many milliliters?
1/4 of a liter. Ma'am, can you repeat?
1/4 of a liter equals to how many milliliters? When you are finding the 1/4 of 1000, because 1 liter equals to 1000 milliliters, and when you are finding the 1/4 of any number, means you have to divide it by 4. So 1000 divided by 4 equals to give you how many milliliters? Kiana, give me fast or I will move to the next child.
Ma'am, can we write in chat box?
Yes, please write in the chat box if you know the answer. 1/4 equals to how many milliliters? Yes. 250 what? You will forget to write the unit. 250 milliliters. Yes. And 3/4. Arnav Desai, 3/4 of a liter equals to how many milliliters?
Yes, ma'am. 3, 4.
1/4 is 250. So 3/4. 3 times 1/4 if we add, we will get the 3/4.
Ma'am, 2 minutes I do it in my notebook.
1/4 is 250 ml. Yes, Laisha. What is 3/4?
750. Ma'am, 750.
Yes, 750 milliliters. Yes, I'm going to present my screen. I am going to present my screen. I will revise it, the questions.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can I write the chapter some revision after one line over here?
No, new page better.
Okay. No question.
How many milliliters are in a liter? 1000
Ma'am,
is the
1000.
answer. Yes, please write this.
1000 we have to write fill in the blanks.
Yeah, you have to write in the form of a fill in the blanks. Don't write all the options, just write the direct answer.
Ma'am, we have to write this in our revision notebook now.
Yes, my dear. How many milliliters are in a liter? 1000.
1000.
Please
Ma'am,
write it in
1000.
the blanks. Fast.
Ma'am, but we have to write the unit also, no?
Yes, you have to write the unit also. 1000 milliliters.
Done, ma'am. Next.
Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, wait a
No,
minute.
ma'am, wait.
Ma'am, wait.
Excuse me, ma'am. We have to write answer 1000, then We have to write animal also now.
Yes.
Done, ma'am.
Which of the following you will measure in liters? Water in a small cup, capacity of water in a water tank, or cough syrup in a spoon? I will call the child name. Dheerk will tell me. Yes, Dheerk. Dheerk, tell me the answer of this question.
Ma'am, can I say Rishik?
Rishik, when I call the child name, why you say can I say?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We measured in liters. Ma'am, capacity of water in a water tank.
Yes. So only write the direct answer. Don't write all the options, students, in your notebook. Let me take the attendance first.
Ma'am, wait a minute. I'm writing answer. No, ma'am, wait. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
I can just write like that. D and the capacity of water in a water tank. I can write like that.
Hmm.
Ma'am, done. Done, ma'am.
Which of the following you will measure in milliliters? Push the side.
Okay. Ma'am, eye drop in an eyedropper.
Hmm. Fast,
C1.
students.
Ma'am, in that 1 m and 1 m will only come. There are 2 m's.
What?
In the
Only 1
milliliters
m will
value.
come. Only 1 m will
And
come. Milliliters.
ma'am, there are three
And
L's
liters also
together.
RES.
Ma'am,
Where?
there are three L's together. It's 2 L, then I,
So
then
you
one
correct
more
it,
L.
beta. It is the printing mistake here. You correct it.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Milliliters.
There are two M's.
Don't pay attention to there. You please correct it. Can I move to the next question?
No, ma'am. No,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am. No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Now you can show the
Yes, ma'am. Now you.
fourth
Yes,
one.
ma'am.
Varija. Varija, give me this answer.
Ma'am, 500.
Hmm.
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Wait, no.
Ma'am, wait.
Ma'am, in this we have to write the unit also, no?
Unit is already there after the dash, no? So no need to write. Only write 500.
Okay, ma'am.
Like it is perfect. See, ma'am.
I will check
Ma'am, now you can
because
see the fifth.
when I present the screen, don't I will not able to see you all.
Ma'am, now present the fifth one.
Fifth one, no need to write. Just listen and we are going to discuss the answer.
Means we have to not write the question and answer too.
No, both don't write. We will just only discuss. Total water used by a family for various activities is as follows. There is a one family. They are using these total capacity of water every day for cooking this much liter. Mute yourself, no. Washing clothes, cleaning pots, bathing. They are using this much water every day. So can you tell me how much they are using total water? To find the answer
Ma'am,
and tell me.
165 liter. 165 liters.
165.
Yes, ma'am. 165.
Yes,
165 liters.
165
165
liters.
liters.
Thus, we have find it out by adding. Please write this question. And Hit will tell me what will be the answer of this.
Okay, ma'am.
250 ml plus 100 ml plus 350 ml plus what? So that it will equals to the 1 liter.
Okay, ma'am.
Hit, can you give me the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Please give fast. And others, please write it in your notebook.
Ma'am, found the answer.
No, but you will not give. I've already called the child name. Hit, can you give me?
Yes, ma'am. Plus 7. Ma'am, 300 is the answer.
Yes, 300 is the. Is he correct, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt to any child why the 300 is coming? Any doubt to?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, Kush.
Okay, Khush. Yes, please ask.
Ma'am, because 250 plus 100 ml is equal to 350 plus 350 ml is equal to 700 and more 300 is equal to 100.
Very good. Yes. Any doubt to any child? Any confusion?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Please complete this.
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Can-
Now move to the seventh one.
Okay.
Ma'am, sixth one.
Sixth one done.
Okay.
Because
Julie?
we have not tried the.
Okay. Can I speak
Ma'am, we have
now?
to write this question.
Can I speak now? Yes, please write. Can I speak? Julie is a girl pouring juice from a 1 liter full jug into glasses. If capacity of a glass is 200 ml, how many glasses will be completely filled?
Ma'am, can I say Rishik?
Yes, Rishik will give me.
What is
Ma'am, answer is 500.
500 तो है ही नहीं यहाँ पे ऑप्शंस में कहीं पे.
Ma'am, what is
I'm
that?
sorry, 5. Ma'am, sorry, 5.
I am not getting if you all are speaking together. Yes, Deerk, what were you asking, bacha?
Ma'am, what is after Julie?
Just only write the name of the Julie and that word is cutted. So no need to write.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Julie pouring juice from a 1 liter full jug. 1 liter means 1000 milliliter jug he was having, and he is pouring into the glasses. And the glass capacity is 200 ml. So how many glasses will be completely filled with the 1000 ml? Because 1 liter, Varanya will give us the answer.
Ma'am.
Yes, Varanya.
Ma'am, you.
Varanya.
Yes, ma'am.
Each glass capacity is 200 milliliter, and you have a juice, suppose 1000 milliliters. So how many glasses you will fill?
Ma'am, can I say Rishik?
No, Rishik, let her give. Varanya. I have already given a chance. How many?
5.
Yes, 5. Correct, students? How 5?
Ma'am, because 205
5 times
1000.
make 1000. Yes.
205 is 1000.
Yes, please complete it fast.
Then wait, I have a half question.
Can I proceed?
No, ma'am.
No,
Let's
ma'am, 1
I'm
minute.
on the.
see.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Ma'am, yes,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am, no.
Mute yourself. Someone is turning on and turning off his mic. Now, students, I'm changing the next question, moving to the next.
No, ma'am.
Yes,
only
ma'am.
1
Be little
minute.
fast, or either take the screenshot.
Ma'am, I have written that 250 ml plus 100 ml in the fifth question. Is it okay? And this question in the sixth one.
No problem.
Yes, ma'am, I have.
Because we didn't write fifth question.
So
Fifth
you
one.
only
so-
write
Ma'am, what is the answer of
sixth
7?
question in the
Will be
fifth one.
7th one.
Okay, Kush, okay, right. Kiana, you are not clear with the answer.
Unclear.
So why you are asking what is the answer of the seventh one?
Ma'am, I am not asking.
Which child was asking
Ma'am,
about it?
Hana.
Ahana, why you are not clear with this question?
Ma'am, I do not understand.
200 multiplied by 5, when you fill 5 classes, it will give you 1000. Either you divide 1000 by 200, then also you will get the 5.
Ma'am, so the answer is 5.
Yes, so the answer is 5. Suppose, Ahana, you are filling the 250 ml glass. So how many glasses you will fill with the 1 liter? If I change the question, Ahana, am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
So can you tell me, if I change the question, if I tell the capacity of a glass is 250 milliliter, and you are filling that glasses with the 1000 milliliter, how many glasses you are going to fill with the 250 milliliter capacity? My dear, you need to be quick in the answers. Who will tell me what is the correct answer?
Ma'am, can I say Rishik?
Yes,
Ma'am, can I
Rishik.
say Rishik?
Yes, Rishik.
Ma'am, answer is 4.
Ma'am,
Yes.
you.
250 plus 250 plus 250 plus 250, 4 times 250
Ma'am,
makes the
you.
1 liter. Yes, Yuga, I will give you a chance in the next question. I am moving now. Yes, you give me. Amina's water bottle holds 1 liter of a water. She drank 250 milliliter of water, and her friend Govind drank 150 milliliter. How much water is left with her in a bottle? Yuga, I have given this to you. Solve it. Am I audible to you, Yug? When I was explaining,
Ma'am,
you were
600
giving-
milliliter is left.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Okay. Please write.
Ma'am, you are audible.
Okay.
Ma'am, the answer is 600 milliliter.
Yes. 250 milliliter plus 150 milliliter is 400 milliliter. Subtracted from 1000 milliliter, you will get the remaining water in the bottle, which is 600 milliliter. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Can you explain it again because my light was gone?
Kiana.
Yes, ma'am.
Kiana, can you read the question for me?
Yes, ma'am. Amina's water bottle holds 1 liter of water. She drank 250 milliliter of water and her friend Govind drank 150 milliliter. How much water is left in her bottle?
So what you have to do in this?
Minus.
What which number you will minus? And from what you have to minus?
I will minus 250 from 150.
How is it possible you will minus 250 from the 150?
Yes.
Have you understood the language of the question? That Amina water bottle holds 1 liter of water. She was having a bottle like this, and the capacity of that bottle is she was having 1 liter water in that. Then after that, she drank 250 milliliter of water, and her friend drank 150 milliliter of water from that water bottle. How much is left in her bottle?
Yes.
So now you understood what we have to do.
Yes.
What we have to do? Can you please explain me?
Ma'am, we have to do. Ma'am, can you say?
No, only Kiana will explain me. She have not understood, no, so she should make it clear. Yes, please, Kiana.
Ma'am, we will do minus.
What we will minus? From what we will minus and what we will minus?
From 250 and 150 we will minus, so we will get.
No. 250 and 150 we will first plus, because this total is drank. 450 milliliter she drank, 150 friend drank, so total उन्होंने 400 milliliter water पिया out of 1000. So 1000 minus 600, 400 you will do, you will get the answer. 600 is left. 600 milliliter is left. Clear now, Kiana? जब आप खत्म करते जाते हो तो that you will subtract, no, from the total. Am I clear to you, Kiana, now?
Yes, ma'am. Answer is 600, but I don't understand why 600 because.
Which child is this?
Ma'am, he.
Ma'am, hit.
With 250 milliliter she drank, 150 friend drank. इतना तो वो खत्म कर चुके, पी चुके, दोनों मिला के टोटल
200.
400 ना.
No, ma'am, 350.
250 plus 150 is 350.
Yes, ma'am, 400. Sorry.
400 milliliter is already they finish. So out of 1400 they have already finished. So what is left?
Ma'am, 600 milliliters.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Clear.
Can I move to the next question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Move.
And I request everyone not to leave the class today. I will continue the HRM. No need to write this. Maybe this is in your textbook also, students. So
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
no
Yes,
need
ma'am.
to write this question. It is there in your textbook also. Radha's grandma was ill and the doctor gave her a bottle with the 200 milliliter of medicine. She has to take the medicine every morning for 10 days. So now Kiana will answer me. How many milliliter of medicine does she have to take for every morning?
Ma'am,
Kiana, give me the answer.
ma'am, we have to write the full question.
I have already explained. You have to listen that time, students. No need to write this question. Kiana, give me the answer. 200 milliliter of medicine. There is a complete bottle. Its capacity is 200 milliliter. Now she has to finish that in 10 days. So how much she will drink every day?
Ma'am, can we write answers in the chat box?
Yes, please write. Kiana, why you not able to give me the answer? This we have discussed from the textbook also. The answer is 20 milliliter, right? And please write milliliter also, Hit.
Okay, ma'am.
Moving to the next question. Yusuf runs a tea shop. For making a glass of tea, he uses 20 ml of milk. Yesterday he had 100 glasses of tea. How much milk did he use? One glass, 20 milliliter, making 100 glasses. When one is given and you need to find for many, what you will do, students? We will multiply. 20 multiplied by 100 will 2000
2000.
milliliter, and 2000 milliliter
2
equals to
milliliter. 2
2
liter. Sorry, 2
liters.
liter.
Yes, 2 liters. If you want to write, please write this.
Ma'am, can I leave because
No, my dear, I will continue this.
ma'am, can I leave because I have to go to a doctor, so that's why.
You can leave then.
Bye, ma'am.
Done?
No, ma'am, wait.
Ma'am, wait a minute.
Okay.
Ma'am, we will play quiz today.
No, we will continue this revision. No?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Can I stop now?
No, ma'am, wait.
What
Ma'am,
is
wait a minute.
this question?
Yes, what happened, Dee?
What is the answer of this question?
You have not understood?
No, ma'am.
He is making 20 from one for one glass. He need to use 20 milliliter of milk. For 100 glasses, he needs to use how much milk? 20 multiplied by 100 will be 2000 milliliter, and 2000 milliliter equals to 2 liters. Suppose the capacity of one glass of water is 10 milliliter, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And 10, if I multiply with the 100, will give you 1000. So will be the 1 liter.
Yes.
Same way 20
Ma'am, I
multiplied by
can say
100.
one more trick.
Yes, please.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
we can do 20 multiplied by 10 and the answer is 200. So we can do 200 multiplied by 10.
Okay. Now I'm going to stop this
yes, ma'am. How many questions are there?
with this much only. Now we are going to do the revision of the liters and milliliters conversion. If you want to write, then you can write. It is not compulsory.
We
Okay.
have to write this.
We are up to you. I will just discuss the answers. Convert the following. 1 liter equals to 1000 milliliter. You all know. So 6 liter equals to how many milliliters, students?
6,000.
Ma'am, 6,000.
6000. Yes. B. 9 liter 250
6,000.
milliliter.
6,000 milliliter.
That is already discussed. Now moving to the B. 9 liter 250 milliliters equals to how many milliliters?
Ma'am, 9,250 milliliter.
9,250 milliliter
250
because you
milliliter.
will convert 9 multiplied by 1000 is 9,000 plus 250. It will be
9,250
9,250
milliliter.
milliliters. Kiana, Ahana, everyone is clear? Arnav, are you all clear to conversions?
2,000. 24,000.
Yes or no, students?
Ma'am, he
Yes, ma'am, clear.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Someone is speaking something. Yes.
Ma'am, I can't understand conversion because sometimes when you give the worksheet, I'm not able to understand the conversion.
Okay, I will ask from you now. 3 liters equals to how many milliliters?
3 liters is equal to 1,000 ml.
How many?
1,000 ml. I mean 3,000.
3,000 milliliter, right?
Yes.
And if I ask you if 4 liter, 450 milliliter equals to how many milliliters? Only Laisha will answer me, no one else. 4 liter, 450 milliliter equals to how many milliliters? First, you will multiply 4 with the 1,000
Yes.
equals to 4,000.
Oh,
Add
then.
the 450.
Yes.
It is already in milliliters, so the answer will be 4,450
450.
Yes.
Yes.
This way you need to solve this.
Because I was a bit confused.
Now you all are clear here. Now
Yes.
please check the D one. 48 liter, 40 milliliter. Please solve it and I write the answer in the chat box. 48 liter, 40 milliliter equals to how many milliliters? Write the answer in the chat box. I don't want to listen it orally. Please write the answer in the chat box. Ahana will give me the answer first. Ahana, 48 liter.
Ma'am, what is the question?
48 liter, 40 milliliter converted into the liter. Milliliters. 48 liter, 40 milliliter. What will be the answer?
Then the answer will be 48, 4,840.
Wrong.
Ma'am, see,
Why not you are converting and adding and practically doing? Please solve this and give the answer. I'm going to check the chat box. Bhakti wrong. Hit is right. Laisha right. Jania wrong. Hit right. Dev right. They are practically solving and giving the answer. Dev, you have written the next answer wrong. Arnav, I don't know what he has written.
It is by mistakenly.
So it will be 48,040, not 4,840. Because 48 multiplied by 1,000 will be 48,000. And when you add 40 in that, it will be 48,040. 0 will also come in the middle. 48040 is the answer.
ma'am, because 40 milliliter is there, not
Yes.
400.
Yes. And even though it is not 400, 3 digits are not there. Only 2 digits. So the middle 0 will also will come. 48,040. How we will write? 48,040 milliliters. Clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
So please practically add it and then find the answer. Don't learn the concept. Ahana, I request you do the practice before you give your assessment. Now here convert the following. Now when you are converting milliliters into liters, you have to divide. And when you are dividing to take the, I will give you a direct answer that take the 3 digit to the milliliter and the remaining digit will be the liters. So here the answer is 7
7,000
liters.
means 7 liter.
10 liters.
Next is 4 liter.
6
Ma'am, 4 liter,
milliliter.
650 milliliter.
Okay, now come to the D1. D1, Ahana will only tell me, no one else. Don't give the answer in the chat box. Ahana, please give me this answer.
Yes, ma'am.
How many liters and how many milliliters?
Yes, ma'am.
I have just now gave you the direct method also how to take the milliliters and the liters. Ahana, it shows you not doing practice at all. Arnav will give me the answer. Yes, Arnav, D answer.
13 liter 540
Milliliters. Yes, got it. 3 digits will go in the milliliters and the remaining digits will be your liters. And if we take F1, so it will be 87 liters and 00 milliliters. And if we take the G1, 94 liters,
Liters,
560
600, 550, 560 milliliter.
milliliter. Now 1000 milliliter equals to how many liters?
1 liter.
5000 milliliter equals to how many milliliters?
5,000 milliliter.
No.
5 liter.
How many milliliters?
milliliter 5000
5,000.
5000 milliliter equals multiply by 2 when you do.
1
milliliter
2 multiply
10,000.
by
10 liter 10,000
10,000 liter means 10 liter.
1000 milliliter equals to 2 multiply by what you will do to get the
milliliter.
Ma'am, 2 milliliter or 2,000
See,
milliliter.
you have to get the 1000 milliliter equals to 2 multiply by what you will do so that you will get the 1000 milliliter. You have to multiply it with the
500
500.
500.
Here also
500.
the B1 also you have given the wrong answer, students.
Ma'am,
B1
B1
also.
it's 250
250.
2500
500. 500.
2500.
500.
Got it?
Yes,
yes
ma'am.
ma'am
Now D, 250 multiplied by 2.
it's 5
125. 125.
No, multiply by 2.
Okay.
Because
It's
when
500.
equal, you listen, when equal to sign is there, means your right hand side and the left hand side should be same. So here the answer will come 500 milliliter. Now the answer is here 600 milliliter. And to get the other side also the 600 milliliter. So with the 100, what you will write here?
6.
6. Yes. Got it, students?
Yes, ma'am.
So on the basis of the same chapter, the same jugs and mugs, I'm going to send you the worksheet today. Please complete that Google form and send it to me on the same day. And I want to tell you also